Warts are generally harmless and often disappear on their own over time, but they're unsightly, and some, like those found on the soles of the feet, which can make walking and exercise painful. Wart removal can be a challenge, but fortunately, the most effective treatments are the least invasive. Warts are contagious. They can go away on their own, but it can take weeks, months, or years. Conventional treatments include chemical peels, surgery, freezing, and laser surgery. These treatments can be expensive and cause skin irritation. Another option is to try natural home remedies for warts. Here are some home remedies that can be found in your kitchen to help you remove warts. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has salicylic acid, which is a common wart treatment that peels away infected skin. Vinegar also has natural antimicrobial properties that may help fight HPV. To try it, mix 2 parts apple cider vinegar and 1 part water. Soak a cotton ball with this mixture. Place it on the wart, and cover it with a bandage. Leave it on for 3 to 4 hours. Always dilute apple cider vinegar with water. The acidity may cause irritation and chemical burns. Also, don't apply it on open wounds. 2. Banana peel. Banana peel contains potassium, which can fight HPV. You can cut a small piece of banana peel the same size as the wart, tape it in place, and replace it every day for quick results. 3. Garlic. Garlic has a long history of being used to heal skin conditions like psoriasis, keloid scars, and corns. It's also used for bacterial, fungal, and viral infections such as warts. Some studies show that garlic extract can get rid of warts within 4 weeks. Try crushing up 1 clove of garlic and mix it with water. Apply to the wart and cover with a bandage. Repeat daily for 3 to 4 weeks. You can also apply garlic juice or rub a clove on the wart. 4. Orange peel. Another popular wart remedy is the orange peel. It's also an inexpensive option. You can rub an orange peel on the wart once a day. Supposedly, the wart will change color, darken, then fall off. This may take 2 weeks or more. 5. Pineapple. Pineapple has bromelain, a mixture of enzymes that digests proteins. It's believed that bromelain removes warts by dissolving proteins in HPV. To try pineapple in warts, just soak the wart in pineapple juice every day. Another technique is to apply fresh pineapple daily. 6. Potato. Potatoes are a great remedy for reducing warts. To try this method, cut a small potato in half. Rub the cut side on the wart until it's covered in potato juice. Repeat morning and night for 2 weeks to start seeing results. 7. Dandelion weed. Dandelion weeds are used for their medicinal properties. Dandelion milk, or sap, is a traditional remedy for skin diseases like warts. The dandelion extract may support collagen production, decrease skin inflammation, and soothe irritation. Dandelion has antimicrobial components which help fight warts. To try this method, break apart a dandelion and squeeze out the sticky white sap. Apply to the wart once or twice a day. Repeat for 2 weeks. Never use dandelions that have been sprayed with chemicals. 8. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for its antiviral, antibacterial, and antibiotic properties. It is extremely useful in fighting warts. Aloe vera gel can also fight pathogens, including viruses. To use aloe, remove a leaf from an aloe vera plant. Apply the gel to the wart. Repeat daily. 9. Aspirin. Aspirin has salicylic acid, which can easily treat warts. Salicylic acid works by peeling away the infected skin. Over time, this removes the wart. Aspirin is thought to have a similar effect. The suggested method is to crush aspirin tablets and mix them with water. Apply the paste on the wart and cover with a bandage overnight. 10. Clear nail polish. Clear nail polish is an anecdotal wart remedy. It's said to suffocate the virus and cure wart. The method involves coating the wart with clear nail polish. Do this 2 to 3 times a day for the best result. 11. Vitamin C. Vitamin C has immune-boosting properties. This vitamin is also essential for wound healing and healthy skin tissue. It's thought to fight HPV, but more reliable evidence is needed. To try it, crush up a vitamin C tablet and mix it with water. Apply the paste to the wart, cover with a bandage, and leave overnight. Repeat daily. 12. Vitamin E. Another home remedy for warts is vitamin E. This nutrient is vital for a healthy immune system. It's thought to improve your body's reaction to HPV. You can puncture a vitamin E capsule and apply the oil to the wart. Protect the wart with a bandage and keep it on overnight. Repeat daily for 2 weeks. 13. Bee propolis. Honey bees produce a resin-like substance called propolis. It's made of plant substances, beeswax, pollen, and bee enzymes. To use propolis, apply it to the wart. Place a bandage on top and leave overnight. Repeat daily. You can also consume propolis for an immunity boost. This may help your body get rid of the wart. 14. Castor oil. Castor oil is an antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory remedy. It's used as a natural remedy for warts, ringworm, dandruff, and other skin conditions. Apply castor oil on the wart every day. It might take 2 or more weeks for the wart to fall off. 15. Duct tape. Duct tape is one of the most popular home remedies for warts. It's inexpensive and easy to find. Duct tape is said to remove the infected skin over time. To use duct tape, stick a small piece on the wart. Remove it every 3 to 6 days. Soak the wart in water and scrub it with pumice stone or emery board. Leave it uncovered for 10 to 12 hours. Repeat the process. If you have sensitive skin, use duct tape with caution. It may cause redness, irritation, and bleeding. 16. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a powerful antimicrobial remedy. It's used to treat skin conditions like acne, athlete's foot, and other skin infections. The oil's antiviral properties may also help get rid of warts. Combine 1 to 2 drops of tea tree oil with 12 drops of carrier oil, like almond oil or castor oil. Add 3 to 4 drops of this mixture to a cotton ball. Place it on the wart for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat 2 or 3 times a day. If you experience irritation, you might need to dilute it even more. 17. Onion. Onion can also help reduce warts. Crush a small piece of onion. Place it directly on the wart and cover it with a bandage. After an hour, remove the bandage and washes it off. Dry the wound gently. Repeat applying fresh onion every day for a month. 18. Papaya. Papaya contains an enzyme that digests dead tissue. Make shallow cuts on the surface of unripe papaya, collect the sap that runs out and let it coagulate. Mix the thickened sap with water, then apply morning and night. Warts usually go away on their own. Natural home remedies for warts may help speed up the process. Most treatments aren't backed by evidence-based research. However, some people claim that these remedies have worked for them. Always do a patch test first. Even natural treatments can cause skin irritation. Thank you for watching. Give your thumbs up if you liked this video. If you want more health tips and tricks, you can subscribe to the channel.